Hey guys, welcome back to Vancouver Carpenter. So, forgive the echo. Man, as soon as I got the board up in this place, it was so bad. But anyways, why did I upgrade back to all stainless steel? So, there's the obvious reason of just, it doesn't corrode, it doesn't get rusty. You know, when you do your first pass of mud on the wall, it doesn't look like there's, quite bluntly, a little bit of poop in it. So we've got that going for it, but yeah, I did have a problem with these blades in the past, and the problem is if you're not careful with them, like if you say leave them in a pan with just a little bit of water in it overnight, and I don't mean much, I mean just like after brushing it out and there's the tiniest bit of water in the pan, then I found these corrode. So like this one right here has a bunch of pits in it, and if I use it, say to coat screws, you can see about like 6 or 7 lines left from these little pits that are missing there. Now getting on to the regular old carbon steel ones. So these ones are great because even though they rust, they're super durable. But here's the problem, okay guys? Here's why I actually upgraded. And it's because I'm pretty sure that the carbon in these tends to make my mud go more rotten. So whenever I'm scraping off my blades, a lot of this rust, this carbon, gets put right into the bucket of mud. And so for years, I could usually leave buckets of mud for a while, like a good month or so without coming back to it, even in warmish temperatures, and it wouldn't be rotten. But as soon as I switched back to all carbon knives, I started to get really stinky mud, especially if I left it, like in a warm job site or even in the back of my van for a couple weeks. Yeah, I'd come back to it and it would be like moldy and stinky and gross. So I can't guarantee, I haven't done any scientific tests, and who knows, maybe the contamination is in my buckets now, but I just found that when I was using all stainless tools, I didn't get stinky mud. So as much as I actually like the carbon knives, I prefer that they're a little more durable. In spite of the fact that they rust, they actually tend to be lower maintenance and I almost never get pits in them. But yeah, I don't want any more stinky mud. So that is the reason that I am no longer using carbon steel knives. Anyways, hopefully you guys got something out of this video. If you're looking for the brand of stainless steel knives that I like, I'll link them in the description below. And one last tip for you guys, if you've got some brand new knives, don't forget to take a little piece of sandpaper and just really quickly take off that sharp edge, and especially knock down those corners, and it won't be biting into the tape anymore. So that's it. It really only takes that much, and these knives are ready for use. So it's still nice and square, still perfect, but it's not going to drag and dig in now. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching Vancouver Carpenter. Till the next video, you guys.